Do you want a flat stomach but struggle to target that stubborn lower belly fat? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into the best exercises that are guaranteed to tone and sculpt your lower abs. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to take your ab game to the next level. Why lower abs are so hard to target? Here's the truth: lower abs are notoriously hard to target because this area tends to store more fat than the upper abdomen. And here's the kicker: no amount of crunches will work if you're not hitting the right exercises. But don't worry, I've got you covered with a series of moves specifically designed to strengthen, tone, and flatten your lower abs. Exercise 1: Leg Raises. Our first exercise is the leg raise, a classic move that directly targets your lower abs. Start by lying flat on your back with your legs extended. Place your hands under your lower back for support. Slowly lift your legs to a 90-degree angle, then lower them back down without letting them touch the ground. Repeat for 12-15 reps. Why it works? Leg raises isolate the lower abs, forcing them to work hard with every repetition. Plus, it helps improve overall core stability. But here's a pro tip: move slowly. The slower you lower your legs, the more tension you create in your abs, and the better the results. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this exercise before or if you find it challenging. I'd love to hear your experience. Now, let's bust a quick myth. You've probably heard the term spot reduction, right? Well, here's the hard truth: you can't magically burn fat in just one area of your body. What these exercises do is strengthen and tone your lower abs. Pair them with a clean diet and cardio, and you'll see that stubborn fat melt away. Exercise 2: Reverse Crunches. Next up, we have the reverse crunch, a game changer for your lower abs. To do this, lie on your back and bring your knees toward your chest. Curl your hips off the ground, engaging your abs to lift your lower body. Slowly lower back down and repeat for 10-12 reps. Why it works? This exercise takes pressure off your neck and shoulders, so your lower abs take all the heat. It's perfect for anyone struggling with traditional crunches. Quick question: do you feel the burn during reverse crunches, or do they seem too easy? Drop a comment below and let us know. Before we move on, let's talk about mistakes. One of the biggest errors people make is arching their lower back during ab exercises. This not only reduces effectiveness but can also lead to injury. So, keep your back flat on the mat and focus on controlled movements. Remember, quality over quantity every time. Exercise 3: Flutter Kicks. On to exercise 3: Flutter Kicks. This move is a must-have for your lower abs workout. Lie on your back with your hands under your glutes for support. Lift your legs slightly off the ground and alternate small, quick kicks. Perform this for 20-30 seconds. Why it works? Flutter kicks target not only your lower abs but also your hip flexors and obliques, giving you a full core burn. It's also an amazing exercise for building endurance. Pro tip: struggling to keep your legs up? Start with shorter sets and work your way up. You'll build strength over time. You might be thinking, why aren't my abs showing even after all these exercises? The answer lies in your body fat percentage. To make those abs pop, focus on a balanced diet rich in protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs. And don't forget to incorporate cardio. It's the golden duo of exercise and nutrition that makes all the difference. Exercise 4: Mountain Climbers. Let's add some cardio to the mix with mountain climbers. Get into a high plank position, keeping your core engaged and back straight. Quickly alternate bringing your knees toward your chest. Perform this for 30-40 seconds. Why it works? Mountain climbers are not only a killer lower ab exercise but also a great way to get your heart rate up. It's a total body workout that improves endurance while chiseling your abs. What's your favorite cardio move for abs? Share it in the comments, and we might feature it in our next video. Here's an interesting fact. Your abs are made up of several muscle groups, including the rectus abdominis, transverse abdominis, and obliques. The lower abs are part of the rectus abdominis, which means you're working them every time you engage your core. But targeted moves like the ones we're covering today can give them that extra attention they need. Exercise 5, Scissor Kicks. Our next move is Scissor Kicks, another powerhouse exercise for your lower abs. Lie flat on your back, lift your legs slightly off the ground, and cross them over each other in a scissor motion. Perform this for 20-30 seconds. Why it works? Scissor kicks challenge your abs to maintain stability, making them a fantastic move for building strength and endurance. Pro tip: to increase the intensity, try slowing down your movements and holding each scissor position for a second longer. Now that you've got the moves, what's next? Consistency is the name of the game. Incorporate these exercises into your routine 3-4 times a week, and you'll start to notice serious results in just a few weeks. Imagine a stronger, flatter stomach and the confidence that comes with it. Exercise 6, Plank to Toe Tap. Last but not least, we have plank to toe taps. Get into a forearm plank position. Lift your hips slightly and reach one hand toward the opposite foot, then return to the plank. Alternate sides for 12-15 reps. Why it works? This exercise not only targets your lower abs but also engages your entire core and improves balance. It's a full body move disguised as an ab workout. Now that you know the best exercises for your lower abs, it's time to put them to the test. Challenge your friends or workout buddies to join you. Fitness is always more fun when you do it together. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and workouts. And remember, progress takes time, so stay consistent and keep pushing yourself. Your dream abs are closer than you think. Thanks for watching.